What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Benedict coming to you guys with a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about something I normally don't talk about, and that's how much money I make on YouTube with 2,000 subscribers. Now before I get into all that, I just want to say thank you guys for the mad support that you guys have been giving me even when I'm not uploading on the channel, because I haven't uploaded in about 18 days and the love is still unreal. So just thank you guys so much for being patient. Thank you guys for, hitting me up on Instagram, asking me where's the next video. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I'm going to be showing you guys how much I make on YouTube with 2,000 subscribers. Now, I'm going to put my little screen recorder up on here and hopefully that helps you guys a little bit, but we're going to be talking about everything. So just kind of going into it right off the rip. I'm close to 2.2 thousand subscribers. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're only 5 away at the time of making this video. But we're gonna go into my analytics here, and we're gonna be, look into my analytics a little bit. Something I never really cared about, or not, something that I'm not really caring about right now. Just kind of really going into it. The numbers have been kind of fluctuating a little bit, but we're gonna be bringing it back. I'm gonna go custom. I'm gonna go May 24th. That's when I hit 2,000 subscribers, and hit apply. So I hit 2,000 on May 24th of this year. Obviously, my estimated revenue within that time frame is $27.08. I'm gonna go over to the revenue tab a little bit and kind of just explain, I guess, a little bit of what this is, though I don't really know too much about it. I'm gonna explain what I know and how much I know about it. You guys will see. So within that short little time frame, I've only made about one video. I kind of took a social media break, kind of just exfoliating, just not using the phone as much as I used to be, and I've only made about $27, and it is delayed by 2 days. That's why you guys see this right here, June 10th, or right here, June 13th, June 12th to 13th is delayed. So I made about $27 from the 24th to about the June 12th. My playback based CPM. This is the effective cost per mil, or estimated gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks on which an ad was shown, independent of which specific playbacks the advertiser was charged for. So I'm gonna kind of go in here and say, what is CPM on YouTube? I put YouTube on YouTube. CPM stands for milli. Milli is the Latin word for 1,000. Therefore, CPM determines how much money a YouTuber makes per 1,000 views. CPM is paid out at YouTube by companies that might advertise on your video, who takes percentage of the money, also give YouTube a percentage. So every 1,000 views, I get paid $4.87. That's as of recently, and this number fluctuates every single day. So see, one day was at $5.96, $4, $5. My highest point right here was at $9, and then my lowest was about $3.98, and it kind of just fluctuates every single day. So on this day, if I made 1,000 views, I made $4. This 1,000, $5. So every day, like I said, is different. It fluctuates a lot, so just kind of keep a lookout for that. It is down 11% from May 3rd, comparing to May 3rd to May 23rd. It's down about 11%, so that fluctuates. So I know it gets a little confusing. So every 1,000 views is different every single day. For a YouTuber, your CPM for another YouTuber may be different from my CPM to, everyone's CPM is different every single day. It's not all the same. Views do matter when it comes to YouTube. So it's every 1,000 views you get paid a certain day. Someone who has 2,000 subscribers and has less views than me will make less money than me. A subscriber, or a person with 2,000 viewers with more views, or 2,000 subscribers with more viewers or more views gets paid more than me. So it all depends on, upload time, how much people watch your stuff. It all goes into effect, and it all comes here. So then they take a percentage, the advertiser, and then we get a percentage, the YouTuber. And in that short amount of time, I made $27.08. So it's kind of a hard of a breakdown, but that's how much I made, in this short time since I've been at 2,000 subscribers. And to kind of go from the last year, I've got paid about $84.46, and that's about a 525 CPM, which I don't know what the average is, so I can't really compare it to anyone. But $5 for every 1,000, maybe not that bad, I guess. But you would have to get some views off of it. You know what I'm saying? So just kind of go down here. In May, I made $50, April $20, and then June, it's not finished yet, but I made about $14. Let's see, and that's pretty much it. So Within that short little frame, I made about, I believe, 15,000 views. I made about 15,000 views. So for that 15,000 views, I got paid about $27. Like I said, not really a number that I really pay attention to because I don't really care about the ad revenue. My main number that I focus on is views and watch time. I try to make sure that these numbers are always going higher each and every month. April, I think, was my best month this year at 25,000 views. And then May was at 24/7. I'm trying to do better in June, but I took a little break, so I don't think I'll get it. Maybe, hopefully, I'll get to about May numbers. But yeah, that's just how much I make on YouTube with 2,000 subscribers. Within the past 28 days, I made about $41 with 21,000 views. I know a lot of YouTubers don't really show this number because some of them make a lot of money and they don't obviously want to get like too cocky or too big-headed, or they just want to keep that private. I just want to be really open with you guys. I even asked you guys on Instagram and you guys wanted to see it. And this is a really big, I guess, learning curve for a lot of people that are trying to start YouTube, because there is some of you guys out there that follow me that want to start YouTube. And I thought maybe this might be a little bit helpful. But you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in watch time within the last year. And I believe I hit mine back in, I want to say February or March, and then I got monetized in April. Yeah, March is when I hit it. Right now I'm at 7.1k views or hours, so that has to be at 4,000, and then this number has to be at 1,000 in order for you to get a partnership or even monetize on YouTube. Then they review your account, and then they go through, you know, everything to make sure that your account is good and standing. But just thank you guys so much for the past love. I mean, look at this year alone. This year alone, we've been killing it within views, watch time, everything. Like, look at this graph. This graph growth is crazy. Just thank you guys so much. I love you guys, man. It's crazy to think about. That's just how much I make on YouTube. I know I'm running around in circles here, so I just want to give you guys a quick little update on me. I have a second channel, which is my gaming channel. So if you guys do not always want to watch cars and want to watch a little bit of me or support me in a different way, go down below. It's going to be the first link to my second channel, my gaming channel. And then I will be uploading more on there soon. Also, I will be sometime streaming on Twitch, so that'll be down there as well. I just want to get into my whole gaming side. You know, I started off on gaming and I want to go back to it because I do miss it. I hope I'm recording. Yeah. Because I do miss it a lot. Like, gaming was where I started and I want to go back to it. So, you know, that's the team I want to join. Maybe I can join it one day. You never know. That's probably what I'm gonna be working towards. But yeah, that's how much money I make on YouTube within the past year. Thank you guys for being so patient. The winner for the giveaway will be announced next video, so that will be my next video. Make sure you guys leave comments, subscribe. If you guys have not entered, make sure you guys go enter right now. It's ending within the next couple days. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I have a lot more mods coming for the car soon. I just been, you know, kind of just living life, buying PC parts and stuff like that. But we back on the grind now. We back on the hella grind. So just thank you guys so much for being patient. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit that button to get 2.2k. We're on the road to 3k. Maybe we can do it by the end of the next couple months. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Dad, peace.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist.